Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the Nuna PIPA Lite R infant car seat. This car seat is an upgraded version of the PIPA Lite with the relaxed base instead of the Nuna PIPA series base. We'll start off by talking about some of its unique features. It's a rear-facing car seat that can fit babies from 4 to 32 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. The car seat itself weighs only 5.3 pounds because its shell is made with aluminum and Aeroflex foam. It has a removable UPF 50+ canopy with a flip-out eye shade. The fabrics themselves are lightweight and naturally flame retardant without any added chemicals. The removable infant insert is made of organic jersey fabric for added comfort and safety. It has a brown luxe leatherette accented carry handle. The car seat itself comes in 3 colors: caviar, carbon, or granite, which is what you're seeing here. In terms of travel, the car seat is commercial airplane certified. It also connects with all Nuna strollers to create a stylish travel system. To install the Nuna PIPA Lite R, you have to use the RELX base, which has some notable features. It has 4 recline positions. It has a 4-position adjustable latch system to remove or reduce the gap between the vehicle seat and the base. It also has a locking 3-piece stability leg. This leg has a wide range of adjustment to fit most vehicles, including middle seats. Now we'll show how to install it. To use the base with the latch system, start off by pulling the stability leg out from the bottom. Rotate the rigid lower anchors out from the storage section of the base and place the base onto the vehicle seat. Use those rigid lower anchors to attach the base securely to the vehicle seat until the indicators turn from red to green. Now push the base into the crease of the vehicle seat so that the anti-rebound panel is flush against the seat. Extend the load leg to the floor of the car until it locks and the indicator turns from red to green. Now you're good to go. To remove the base, squeeze the buttons on the rigid lower anchors and pull it out. The lower anchor storage positions will automatically lock into place once you rotate them back. Now you can install the base using the vehicle seat belt. Start by opening up the belt lock-off. You'll see the lap belt path marked in light blue, so from here, pull out the vehicle seat belt and route the lap belt through those markers. Buckle the seat belt. Make sure to route the shoulder belt diagonally through those dark blue path indicators, pulling out all the slack. Close the belt lock-off. Don't hesitate to lock the seatbelt itself and check your installation to make sure things are snug. Now you can attach the Nuna PIPA RX by simply placing it onto the base until it locks. Just make sure that you adjust the recline positions depending on the size of your baby. Positions 1 and 2 are for babies between 4 to 20 pounds, and positions 3 and 4 are for babies between 21 and 32 pounds. We love the Nuna PIPA Lite R. It's another great invention from Nuna. They've mastered easy installation and notable safety features. We recommend it for any new parent. Thanks for watching. To shop the Nuna PIPA Lite R or any other Nuna products, you can go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To learn about another Nuna product, you can click on this video. Like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next time.